Hello students, it's Mrs. Henny again. I'm going to be trying to show you how to do problem number 2 on your homework. Got to get focused here. Alright, so here's our problem, and when we are going through the steps of UPS check, we always read our problem first. So I'm going to read the problem. 43 chocolate bars are going to be shared equally with 6 friends. How many chocolate bars will each friend receive? Okay, so I'm going to bracket my question, which is how many chocolate bars will each friend receive? So I have to say, okay, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the number that each person will receive. So what I don't know is the each. What I do know is that there are 43 total chocolate bars. So I'm going to put a big T for total. And I know that there are 6 friends that we're going to divide them equally with. So to draw that strip diagram, I'm going to do it a little bit different than I did on the last one. I'm going to say there are 43 total bars, and I have to take that and divide it between 6 people. Now notice that I put my total strip on the bottom instead of on the top like we did on this problem number 1. And that's okay. Your total strip can go either place. Now I'm going to divide that chocolate bar between the 43 chocolate bars between 6 friends. So I've got to divide this strip into 6 equal parts. And I am trying to find how many chocolate bars each person will get. So I'm going to put a variable or a letter in there to represent what I don't know, which is how many each person will get. You could use a question mark in there. You could use a different letter. It doesn't matter. It just represents what you do not know. Now, I'm going to think about that equation, and it's going to be 43 total bars divided by 6 friends. So I'm going to have 43 divided by 6. Now, that's going to be asking you how many groups of 6 are there in 43, and you're going to count by 6s until you get close to 43 without going over. You can use your multiplication chart if you need to. And that's going to be 7 groups, and 7 times 6 is 42, so I have to subtract that to find my remainder. So I know that my answer is 7, remainder 1. So I'm going to write that up here, 7, remainder 1. Now I'm going to show you the work. That is the work, I'm sorry, but I need to label that 6. That's 7, I'm sorry. There are 7 chocolate bars with 1 extra. Now I could divide that chocolate bar into smaller pieces to share with all 6 people. And if I did that, I would have, here's that extra, that's the extra bar right there, and I could divide it into 6 pieces, and each person would receive 1/6 of the chocolate bar, along with the 7 chocolate bars that they already had been getting to begin with. So we give each friend 7 chocolate bars and an extra 1/6. So that one could be written as a fraction. Now that strategy is kind of new for 4th grade, and it won't be something you always have to know, but I'm going to go ahead and show you that so that you'll be able to get to it and understand it when we get to fractions. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and start a new video for another problem. Thank you for listening.